Is Tesla lying, or are they about to save millions of lives with a 7,579 tiny house? Let's be honest, the idea of a fully functional disaster-proof solar-powered home for less than the price of a second-hand car just sounds too good to be true. So is Tesla overselling the dream, or are they quietly launching the biggest housing revolution of the century, one that FEMA real estate giants and insurance companies really don't want you to believe? In today's video, we'll break it all down across 4 key sections. First, how Tesla managed to make this affordable home. Second, how it's built to survive America's worst disasters like floods, wildfires, and hurricanes. Third, what's inside, from smart furniture to AI-powered off-grid living. And lastly, if you don't own land, where Tesla actually plans to place it. We're going to find out if Elon Musk can truly deliver a $7,579 home that runs off the grid, survives natural disasters, and doesn't require you to own land, because if it's real, it could be a powerful weapon against inflation, climate collapse, and broken housing systems. Subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a breakthrough. 1. How can a $7,579 house compete with a $400,000 home? At first glance, comparing a $7,579 Tesla tiny house to a traditional $400,000 home might seem unrealistic, but Tesla is not following traditional real estate logic by applying the same production philosophy that reshaped the electric vehicle market. Tesla is now aiming to revolutionize housing, delivering radically lower costs without sacrificing durability, functionality, or comfort. The secret lies in their use of gigafactory-style modular construction, which leverages AI-driven robotics and vertical integration to manufacture up to 90% of each home's components entirely in-house. This approach eliminates the need for third-party contractors and significantly reduces labor costs, which typically make up 30 to 40% of a home's construction budget. With Tesla's automation, that figure drops to less than 8%, allowing them to achieve a level of speed and cost efficiency that is virtually unheard of in traditional construction. Tesla also reduces cost through flat-pack shipping and simplified on-site assembly. Unlike conventional homes, which can take 6 to 9 months to build and require dozens of subcontractors, the Tesla tiny house is designed to be assembled in under 24 hours by a 3-person crew. It arrives flat-packed on a standard trailer, and thanks to Tesla's patented SmartLink system, the unit requires no cranes or specialized machinery to erect. A single truck can carry 3 to 4 houses at once, which cuts shipping costs by as much as 70% compared to pre-assembled modular homes. Combined with Tesla's direct-to-consumer model and full control over its supply chain, this process avoids the typical 25 to 35% markup charged by general contractors, real estate developers, and building suppliers. In terms of materials, Tesla's tiny home is constructed from lightweight steel framing, recycled high-density polymers, and fire-resistant carbon composite panels. These materials are not only environmentally friendly, but also exceed current international residential standards for structural safety. The carbon panels provide up to 4 hours of fire resistance, while the steel framing boasts a tensile strength of over 50,000 say. Altogether, the home weighs just 1,850 lb, which is light enough to be towed by a Tesla Cyber truck. Despite its low weight, the structure is designed for year-round use in extreme climates, with R38 insulation providing strong thermal resistance in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Perhaps the most groundbreaking feature is that the Tesla tiny house operates entirely off-grid. The roof integrates Tesla's solar glass tiles, which are invisible to the eye yet capable of generating up to 4.8 Watt hours of electricity per day, enough to cover lighting, refrigeration, heating, cooling, and small electronics. The energy is stored in a compact Tesla Powerwall light battery system with a 15 kilowatt hours capacity, which provides power for up to 3 days without sunlight. Additionally, the system includes vehicle towing capability, allowing Tesla EVs to supply backup power to the home when needed. The result is a house with zero utility bills, while the average American household spends between $2,800 and $4,200 annually on electricity, water, and heating. Tesla estimates that this tiny house costs just $257 per year to operate, covering basic upkeep and filter replacements. Why is this tiny house designed for America's worst disasters? Tesla's tiny house is not just a solution to housing affordability, it is also a direct response to the growing number of natural disasters devastating the United States each year. Over the past 3 years, the country has seen an unprecedented wave of climate-related catastrophes that have exposed the vulnerabilities of traditional housing. In 2023, the Maui wildfires destroyed more than 2,200 structures in Lahaina alone, displacing over 4,500 residents and causing more than $5.5 billion in property losses. In 2024, Hurricane Beryl, a Category 4 storm with sustained winds reaching 135 miles per hour, tore through coastal areas of Texas and Louisiana, causing damages that surpassed $9.5 billion, according to FEMA reports. In early 2025, record-breaking rainfall and levee failures led to catastrophic flooding in northern and central California, displacing tens of thousands and damaging more than 12,000 homes in a single month. In response to these escalating threats, Tesla's design team partnered with climate resilience engineers to create a new standard in disaster-ready housing. The result is a compact structure engineered to survive extreme conditions that would overwhelm most traditional homes. To start, the home is built with a hyperodynamic roof structure designed to deflect high winds rather than resist them. This shape, combined with internal cross-bracing and low center of gravity, allows the home to withstand sustained hurricane force winds of up to 175 miles per hour. For context, that exceeds the wind speed of a Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson scale, offering protection during even the most violent tropical storms. The structure is also anchored with a proprietary ground lock system that allows it to remain secure during extreme weather without needing a full concrete foundation. In flood-prone areas, the Tesla tiny house is designed to survive flash floods up to 3 feet deep. It uses an elevated substructure that raises the living space off the ground by 36 in, and the lower shell is made from a waterproof carbon polymer composite. All key